Okay everybody, this is the Alvantor pet swimming pool, or you can use it as a dog bathing tub. You can use it for kids. I don't see why you couldn't put kids and dogs at the same time. Probably don't want to watch them or wash them together. You can put your cats in here if they like water. It's a portable indoor, outdoor pond, ball pit, whatever you wanted to do. This one is 42 inches high and 12 inches tall. Wait, 42 inches across and 12 inches tall. There you go. Sorry about that. Getting my heights mixed up. I got this because it does fold into this nifty storage area so that you can take this with you if you needed to. I would say if you were going to the beach with your kid, you don't want them in the ocean, and you can just pour some water in it from the ocean right there next to the ocean, and then you're good to go. Or for my purposes, what I was going to use it for was for a doggy washing system, so I can get my guys in and out. I started looking at the normal plastic pools, and then there became an issue with storage space. They're very cheap, but then storage space, because you have this pool that is going to take up a 6 or 7 foot diameter, and so where do you put it when it's not hot out anymore? You don't have any place to put it. Then I looked at those inflatable ones, but then since I'm using it for the dogs, then their nails would get in and eventually bust it open and break it, and now it's just useless. So I found this on the net and have not used it yet. This is my first time. I haven't even opened it. So it came in just a regular old plastic bag, and now I'm gonna go ahead and open it so we can see how it works. Now, let's see what this is. Now, there's no air needed, like I said before. Oh, it's just the directions to show you how to put it together or open it, and we're not gonna look at that, so there you go. So there's no air needed, there's no drain, so you just open it and put water in it. So there we go. So far we're good. So far we are still good. Opens up. Oh, yeah, I like it. So this is the same size as those, the hard pools. It's higher though, so you can put more water in it, and the bottom of it feels kind of like one of those above ground pools that you've probably seen, and that's what it feels like. It feels very durable. It feels like it is thick. Yeah, the whole thing weighs 2.4 pounds without any water in it at all whatsoever. You can see how it folded together. This is what was holding it together. So that was actually really easy. I like this. I think it's going to be a winner as far as what we're going to be using it for. You don't even have to have air. There's no drains needed in this. You can put a larger dog in here. Large dog, I'm gonna say, you know, you can get away with the golden retriever, you can get away with the German shepherd. This durable material feels spot on. Doesn't feel like it would deform or leak or anything like that unless you cut it. And then it also feels like underneath, if you did have a couple of cuts in here, that it will still last you for quite some time before you had to replace it or get rid of it. Super easy to open up, especially since I haven't even looked at it before. 12 inches deep, it's a 42-inch diameter. It's easy to carry, especially let's say you were going to be going over to somebody's house, have a puppy washing play date. You could easily put this in your car and carry it. And then this is what the bottom of it looks like. It's got some texture to it, so it feels durable with that. A lot of people have the irrigation, the water saving yards with rocks, and I think that this feels like this is durable enough to put on those rocks. So yeah, happy with this. 100%. It's the Alvantor pet swimming pool. So yeah, they do come with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. It's a US based company. It's got a 6-month limited warranty, so you get 6 months to see if it's gonna work or not. If you're not completely satisfied, you can just contact them. They are actually down in Los Angeles, California. So we are gonna see if we can close this up just as easy as we opened it. So I didn't look at the instructions to open it, but I am gonna look at the instructions to close it. And it looks like accordion style. So let's give it a shot. So close one, fold, close, fold, close, fold, close, fold. Oops. Yep, fold, close, fold. And then strap it back. Yeah, not as pretty as it was when I got it, but it did the trick and it's together. I think you're supposed to, let's see, what does it say about the bottom? So the bottom right there, that's what you get for not reading the instructions. You just are supposed to have this fold over here next time when I put it together. So it's supposed to be longer. I'm supposed to pull it all the way out and then it goes onto that. So there you go. There you have it. Good enough. Still works. That's everyday life, everyday use. Kind of like when you get a tent and then you can't ever put it back in the same bag again. So yeah, I'm going to give it 18 thumbs up. The Alvantor pet swimming pool and doggy bathtub. So y'all have a nice one.